couple of weeks ago, I shared a rice cake stir-fry recipe. If you followed and still have leftover rice cake, try this seafood rice cake soup. It is super easy and only take a few steps. The tasty and comforting meal is perfect for one person to enjoy or a family to share. Oh, by the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Do check out the over 100 easy-to-follow Chinese recipes in my channel, which you can practice at home with ingredients available in the United States. Leave some comments or push the like and subscribe buttons. You will make my day. For the main ingredients, we need about a 1/3 pound rice cake. Rinse in cold water, separate each piece and soak for 30 minutes. Seafood mix, about 1/2 cup. Soak in cold water to defrost. Meanwhile, let's prepare for some garnishment. The egg shred. 1 egg, whisk thoroughly. If you like the pure yellow color, then use egg yolk, or white color, use the egg white only. In a heated pan, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, add the egg liquid in, spread evenly, let it sit for 1 minute on medium heat. Then turn off the heat, leave the egg in the pan for 2 minutes. A perfect egg sheet is ready. Fold it and shred thin. For the soup, I also added cooked chicken breast of the chicken fajitas I found in Aldi. Dried laver, a kind of seaweed which is typically used for soup in Chinese cuisine. If you can't find this type of seaweed, the alternative is to shred a 1/4 of sushi sheet. In the pan with leftover oil from the making of the egg sheet, add the minced garlic, cooked chicken breast from the chicken fajitas, stir for a few times, add the seafood mix, a cup of water, one tablespoon of white wine, 1 teaspoon of chicken base. Bring to a boil and simmer for 20 minutes. And then toss in the rice cake, which we have soaked for 30 minutes. One teaspoon of salt, cover the lid, bring to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes. Then move the soup to your favorite bowl. Keep about a 1/3 cup of the soup in the pan. Add the egg shreds, seaweed shreds, some shredded ham, and scallion on top for decor. Pour the rest of the soup on top. Time to enjoy. The rice cake is so soft and tender with very rich seafood flavor. Drinking this cup of soup while watching the birds, grass, and trees outside of my window in a sunny spring day made me realize how wonderful life could be. Well, we're reaching the end of the video again, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you around.